To create videos using photos, come over to this video document here. I'll just quickly go with mobile video because my images are portraits. From the editor here, go over to upload to bring in your images if you don't already have them in Canva. So I already have my images I want to use, and I'm going to go to projects here to bring in the images I want to use. I will go to my folders and find the folder I want to work with. So to start bringing in my image, I will start tapping in on the images I want to use to start adding them to the editor. You see, I just tapped on it and it added it to the editor. I'm going to tap all the images I want to use. Once I've added all my images, one thing I want to do is to come to each of this page and trim down the size to 1 second, making them faster when they play. Let me expand the timeline so that I have more control over my edits. I'm going to hover in between any two scenes here and you see add blank and add transition. Let's click on add transition to add a bit of drama to our images. So I want them to swipe when they are being viewed. I'm going to go over to swipe. I'm going to select this and I'm going to increase this to the highest, and I'll come down here and apply it between all scenes. The next thing I want to do is to go over to audio to add my audio. I will filter my audio by audio that are free. Then I'll find the audio I want to use. If you have a song in mind, you can just quickly search it there. Let's select Happy and Fun. So because our playhead is here, that's why I started adding it from here. Let's undo that and drag our playhead to start from where we want the audio to be added. So let's click on the audio. I'm going to click on this audio and I'm going to use the sleep to sleep in the audio because the beginning part of the audio was quite a bit silent. You can see the markers in the audio, how the audios are displayed. You can see where it's more active. I'm going to start from here. Let's preview our video to see how that goes. To export your video, you're going to come over to share here and you're going to click on download, and you see you want to leave it in MP4 video. If you're posting it where you need it in highest resolution, you might want to toggle it to 4K. And once you have it in 4K, you can click on download. Let me know if you have any questions. So have a good one.